If you don't have the eject tool and you want to eject the SIM tray on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then there are some alternatives that you can use in order to eject the SIM tray. So what you can use is pretty much anything that is just as small and as sturdy as the eject tool. So anything that can fit into this little hole and something that will not break if you use a little bit of force. So for example, you can use a paper clip. You can unbend a small paper clip and use the pointed end to push it into this SIM tray hole. Of course, we want to put it in over here and use a little bit of force, as I mentioned, in order to push the SIM tray out. You can also use an earring or piercing jewelry. If you have like a small stud earring with a thin post, then it can probably fit into the hole. You can also use a thin safety pin and press it into the eject hole as well. Mechanical pencil can work as well. If the lid is retracted, the metal tip of a mechanical pencil may work. And also a toothpick. If you have like a sturdy toothpick, preferably a plastic one, then it can be helpful when trying to eject the SIM tray. So once you have your tool, of course, that is sturdy enough and small enough, you want to put it into this hole over here and just use a little bit of force to push it out like that. Afterwards, of course, we can use our fingernails in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the tablet. And that's pretty much it. Later on, just slide it back in with your finger, and that should be all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.